What's up, guys? We're here at the Kistler Farm Ranch. We're with my grandpa, Eric Kistler. How you doing?
I'm doing fine now.
Doing fine. Now, how are we now? 62, 63, something like that?
74.
74. And we're gonna be taking him for a ride in Klaus today. What's the fastest car you've ever been in before? Like back in the day, what were you having? You had a bunch of hot rods.
My 442, 65 442.
Pretty quick?
Yep. 12s,
Ooh,
1225s.
that's actually really good for the 60s and stuff.
Well, it was built up.
Oh, yeah.
It was running about 450 horse.
Yeah, you had a bunch of muscle cars.
64 Sports Fury, my 65 GTO, my 65 442, and that's about it.
All the good cars. Getting them in some hot rods. You guys probably saw him in one of the last videos. We had him in Steve's M2, but now we're gonna go ahead and take him for a ride in Klaus.
Brother-in-law's 63 vet when he had it converted to that 427 L88.
Oh yeah, 427's good.
And that vet, that thing had, I drove it. Yeah. And I would tell you, I was going around second gear and come around a curve and he said, well, Eric, get on it. Man, I laid in that thing.
So, what'd you think about?
I think it should be strictly for the drag strip.
That's not what it's built for. It's meant to go all over. Drive on the road. It's fully street legal.
Yeah, well.
All-terrain vehicle. We'll start off-roading with it. We'll go through the fields.
Go off-roading with it.
Yeah, that's a lot of horses under there.
Yeah, it's got good suspension. Fortunato, they sponsored us. Good suspension.
I'm amazed it stayed straight down the
Yeah,
road.
it is. The suspension from Bimmer World Fortunato coilovers, it goes nice and straight. I'm going to take you for a drive sometime. Next time we go on the drag strip, you got to take it down the drag strip.
Oh boy.
We'll go for some cruising. All right, that's it, guys. We'll see you on the next one.